What you doing there, fucktard? Fucking dipshit. Hey guys, Hades here. Over there's Dancing Eagle Casino. Here's a travel center. I've stayed here 4 or 5 times before, and you've seen it actually in the Metallica video. If you watched that, I stopped here where that weirdo was parked, taking up 5 spots. I guess that's a common thing here, as you might have just seen. That other asshole just parked right in the middle of everything there. Not a parking spot. Yeah, I might check out that casino. Thinking about it. If not, you'll never see this. Hades. Okay, so this is on I-40, exit 108. There's a casino about 6 miles west of here, exit 102. And there's another one like 32 miles ahead, exit 140. Both those casinos are bigger. I thought I'd try this casino tonight just because I've stopped here 4 or 5 times before and I never checked out the casino. Probably the others are better, I don't know. But this casino looks just like a tent, and it's only open from 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. So it's not even a 24-hour casino. The truck stop here, I don't think I'll show you inside. Basically, it's just a truck stop. They got a Dairy Queen in there. I'm not a big fan of Dairy Queen. Yeah, I'm not overly impressed with their food. And on the other side over there, they do have a supermarket, or at least kind of a market. I've never been in there, and I got 6 more days till I go home permanently. So I probably won't check that out, but I will check out the casino tonight, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's time to put the nighttime glasses on. So the casino's across the street. I had to cross that street. There's the truck stop. That might make a good thumbnail. See, it's just like a tent. There's an RV park next to it. Yeah, $20. Now let's try this. That looks like nothing. Doesn't look like much. Yeah, I'm good. Fuck this. Whatever. That's the ass. Try this. I do good at wolf caves sometimes. I guess not this time. Come on. Oh, fuck you. You're not doing real well. Come on. That's nothing? Really? Anything. Fuck you.
Your guests, may Joseph Garcia, please meet your party at your vehicle. Joseph Garcia, please meet your party at your vehicle.
Let's finish off my $100 on this. Yes. This could be my biggest win tonight. Oh, I won $6. I could bet like 350 every 360. Ooh, buffalo, that's a buffalo. Come on, man. I keep my 35 cents. So I lost $100 in 20-30 minutes, probably closer to 20. So I won't be coming back here. Besides, I'm done driving. I won't be coming back here anyway. So that sucked. I didn't like it. It's one of those no smoker casinos, and I didn't see any alcohol anywhere. I don't even know if they're allowed to serve it. They close at 2. That's a shit casino. No sir, I didn't like it.
No sir, I didn't like it.
There's a girl walking her horse, but this fucking truck moved into the way. Don't know if you can see it anyway. It's dark out. Come on, CRST, get the fuck out of the way. See the horsey? Way over there. Yeah, who gives a shit? So this guy's still here. The fuck?
Turn left.
Shut up. Maybe he's broke down. There's another dipshit. $7.